Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Inayatul Ulya Ahyati. I'm from Polytechnic Negeri Banjarmasin. It's been an honor we can present our research paper in the 7th Borobudur International Symposium on Science and Technology 2025. I am the representative of my team and I will present our paper with the title Design Solution for Weighbridge Application System Using User-Centered Design Toward Green Digital Transformation. The authors of this paper are Inayatul Ahyati, Adi Pratomo, Ramadhani Nur Pratama, Evi Lestari Pratiwi, and Laili Aziza. And we are from Polytechnic Negeri Banjarmasin. First introduction. Digital transformation is crucial in palm oil industry for improving transparency, data accuracy, and sustainability. The Weighbridge system is critical control point for verifying the fresh oil palm, freight benches, or Tanda Buah Segar, TBS, transaction, and supply chain traceability. Existing desktop we use since 2012 has major limitation. First, they have non-adaptive input fields, and also they have inconsistent navigation, and they still have manual BJR calculation. BJR means berat jenjang rata-rata or average bench weight. This is high error risk for data quality in Weighbridge system. These usability issues affect data quality and operational efficiency. We found some research gap from the previous research. First, prior studies focus on IoT automation and secure system, and also they have limited studies addresses user experience despite its strong impact on operational success. And also, previous studies lack of human-centered design, especially for Weighbridge system. Research objective of this paper is to redesign and evaluate digital Weighbridge interface that improve accuracy, reduce cognitive load, also for support green and sustainable digital operation. Next is method. For method, this paper was conducted at PT Hasnur Information Technology or HIT. This is located in Banjarbaru, Indonesia. And for methodology, we use a user-centered design approach or UCD. UCD chosen because first they put operator at the center, so it can will ensure that design interfaces meet a user's need. And also, UCD support contextual design based on real workflow. And third, ensure usability and sustainability goals are achieved. This is for interactive UCD stage we apply. First, identifying requirements. Second, designing alternative. Third, prototyping. And fourth, evaluation. Next step is result and discussion. First, identifying requirements. For identifying requirements, for data collecting, we use 4 techniques. First is field observation. For field observation, we have direct observation at the Weighbridge area. Second is document analysis. For document analysis, we are reviewing material such as email consists of error correcting requests or data correcting report and etc. The third, interview. For interview, we are interview hits functional analysis. And the fourth is questionnaire. Questionnaire we use to evaluate the currently running system. This is the score we get from the evaluation. We use evaluation heuristic from Nielsen. The score average is 54.39%. So based on the analysis operator test, user requires an interface that can first display contextual input fields that appear according to the product category. Second, automate BJR calculation to minimize error. Third, provide clearer and more consistent navigation. And the last is to accelerate access to regional reports, including the need for mobile device access. This is user interface for existing system. Second step is designing alternative. For designing alternative, we have a goal to simplify the workflow, reduce the redundant step, And third, support minimalist and error-proof design principle. In this space, we design activities include, first, we design user flow. This design make process more logical and efficient. This is one of user flow we make. This is for wake dispatch user flow. Two, we make sitemap. Sitemap we make to reduce cognitive load. This is sitemap for interface website. And the third, we make a design system. We make design system to consist layout, color, iconography, and typonography. The third step is prototyping. In this step, we make two iterations. First, low fidelity prototype. In this prototype, for test workflow logic and conditional fields. The second iteration is high fidelity prototype, is to make realistic visual, responsive design, simulated field condition. Key feature for this prototype is to make dynamic fields by product category, automatic Bezier calculation, clear navigation structure, and also system status indicator and navigation. This is a prototype we make. First, this is a prototype for a website interface. The website interface will be accessed by Weighbridge operator and admin. And the second one is interface for mobile device. For the mobile interface can only be accessed by executive to review a report. The last step is evaluation. For evaluation, we use heuristic evaluation using Nielsen-Thames principle. There are consists of 51 item questionnaire with Likert scale 1 to 5. This questionnaire we are shared to 3 evaluators from HIPS. There are 2 developers and 1 functional analysis. This is the result of heuristic evaluation. This table show that comparison of prototype heuristic evaluation. This is score from existing file we get from identification requirement, and this is from evaluation path. This show that score, there is a significant increase in the number, especially in area efficiency of user. The figure rose until 50%. It means that new design reduces cognitive load, better guides user action, and also minimize error and speed workflow. And finally, we get a conclusion for this paper. The conclusion are UCD effectively improves usability and operational efficiency of the Weighbridge system. 2, we have heuristic evaluation score 89.89%. It means that very attractive interface. And also interface improvement have direct impact on data quality, error reduction, workflow efficiency, sustainability goals. For our future work, we suggest to make a test-based usability testing and also integration IoT sensor with the prototype and make long-term evaluation of digital sustainability impact. I think that's the end of my presentation. Thank you so much for all of your attention. If you have any question, please ask in our contact. Finally, wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.